Okay.
Yes.
Deja
here. Deja and Elena and Monique.
Hey.
And Yvonne. All awkward in the background.
Party people in the house.
So what is our topic today, young Ashley?
So, what do you think about, the police?
The popo.
Po.
The pig. The fuzz.
The fuzz.
What's that about? The fuzz.
The pigs.
The police. The
The boys. No, I don't like
hood
them.
rat.
I don't like. No, we're the hood rats. They're trying to get us. Yeah, I don't like the police.
Monique, you live in Los Island. Since when are you a hood rat?
No, excuse me. If anybody in this room is hood, it's definitely me.
Excuse me, I don't live in Los Island. I live in a private neighborhood.
No, but seriously, I am the hoodest person here. I lived in the projects for 2 years.
Stop.
2. I came back now. It was tough as nails.
No.
Can you elaborate, Deja?
I lived in West. I lived in West Philly for like
2
4
years. I came back and I'm tough as nails.
Actually, I did live in West
I will
Philly.
shake you down.
Stop, don't do it.
Tell him who your
But I
best
actually
friend
did
was.
live in West Philly.
Oh, my best friend. What's his name?
Drug dealer?
Curtis.
Drug dealer. Drug dealer was the worst names, like Leon the drug dealer, Phil Woods. Oh.
You just said that on a video with the F, man.
What the F, man?
Thursday, Friday. Yeah, that's not going on Facebook.
Might get killed. I can edit it.
Yeah, you can.
Beep beep, the drug dealer.
No, just like slow that part down and be like,
The
drug dealer.
Alright, so what else are we going to talk about?
What other topics about today?
Policia.
La policia.
Republicans.
Uh-oh.
My dad died running.
Next topic.
Yeah, next topic.
Your dad is, I have a
I'm being
question.
serious.
Oh,
My dad
war.
died from COVID.
Can I have my dick one state?
Yeah.
Can I have more chips?
Okay, so your next topic is,
Can you go get me more chips?
Lax Bros.
Blacksburg rap. Can you put a Blacksburg rap, please?
Yes. Rolling down
A
a
shirt off, shades on.
Bumping
My favorite Dave Matthews song.
You know who I am. You know what the biz is. I'm a lax bro, fool.
Who put that cup in my cup?
Some.
Don't try to kid this. And I'm proud of it. You see me in public. Wearing nothing but my Sperry's. And you know you love
I
it.
could have moved.
You know, it's easier to play.
Not really.
Dave Matthews song. You know what the biz is.
I'm fine.
Don't try to kid.
More chips.
And I'm proud of it. You see me in public.
What do you like?
You know you love it. Every Friday night.
I'm texting my boob.
But it's all worth it when I'm up in top shelf.
Somebody play Hello or
Be at the midfield stand.
Put.
Get low. Get low.
Drop it low. Yeah, whatever.
Hold on,
Drop it low.
Oh, you have it here?
Drop it low.
I think it's on my iPod.
You don't have a butt you bouncing around.
Yes, I do.
Deja, do you have that?
my butt got bigger.
It did. What? I'm sorry. Did you not want me to comment on your butt?
It's
my old last shirt. I'm afraid to wear it.
Why?
Wave the shirt.
Here, wait, stop.
You guys know you're not both recording both of them. So how are you gonna do that? Like,
Flip flops, no.
you have to put up 2 different videos.
My stick, 'cause you know
What do you mean?
And the
If
screw.
they're not both
No, screw cross.
yeah, screw lax.
So step down.
Screw your mom.
What happened to the chips?
Other teams getting
there's more over there.
G-Town.
What did you have from here?
Can you do me a favor?
Look, this is the slow. What is
great bag. Brian Dirty? No, what is that? Oh my god, it's going down.
This is the slow go down.
Meet me
going
in the
down.
mall. It's going down. That's all that trap. It's going down. You have tweezers? Who? Elena, weren't you looking for tweezers earlier?
That's why I was
Deja, did you forget you had tweezers so you don't want her to use them?
Are you sure? I don't see tweezers. Should we maybe see the other one? It's okay, don't worry about it.
You must have been mad, man. He's bumping that music.
Forgot what you said. I'm dropping it high.
Oh, we have another side.
Did you say I'm dropping it hot? That's not even the
Dropping it
phrase.
high.
Oh.
You got Patron.
What? I could drop something high. You gotta hold it up like this.
Except for that.
Hey, give us a topic. They're just talking about nothing. It's gonna be stupid.
You already made it. You sat there and danced for 10 minutes.
No, I can edit it out.
They were recording.
That was my point.
Okay, what's your next topic?
Talk about fashion. I don't know.
No.
Lady Gaga.
What's something that they can?
Boys wearing pants below their waist.
Oh gosh. Okay, ready?
Oh, no,
Today's topic is. You have to announce the topic, guys.
Oh, okay. I'm sorry. Please announce.
Today's topic is white boys trying to be gangster.
I hate when. Oh wait, hold on. I hate when
People
anybody
say gangster.
wear their pants like halfway off their ass, but they have
with
a
a
belt
belt
on.
on. Brandon.
Yeah, like half squeezing your butt up over the pants. Somebody wants to
Put
see
your
that
pants on your
butt.
waist. There's a belt for a reason.
Unless you're going to the pool.
Brandon,
And it keeps your pants up.
Mr. George biology class.
It's not a
Keep your
fashion
pants on,
statement.
man.
It's retarded.
I just think
You look
that,
stupid.
dude.
Oh wait, no. Do you know
stop.
they make
The
pants
pants
for
are supposed to
sagging?
go
Like,
over the
like
hips.
some pants
Unless
the
you're
guy
wearing low
buys,
riders. But
if
the
they put
pants
the
go
belt on
over
their
the
waist, it
hips.
would look
You look
retarded
stupid
because they're not
waddling
made
like
for
a
that,
penguin.
yeah. Like
You
they're
are not a
made to be
penguin.
sagged.
You are a
Over the
human.
hips.
Stop.
Like they make it like asymmetrical.
I
so
hate
the front is
that.
higher than
You're
the
not
back,
a penguin.
and the pockets are down
They
lower,
do
so
look
they're
like,
like made to
penguin.
sag. I'm
I
like,
think
that's
that's
so
I think that's so
stupid.
cool. You're not cool. You're just a loser who looks like a penguin.
Wait, who's Brandon in your 8th block? Brandon who?
Let's talk about the last ways.
That's not.
Flo. Flo's delicious. Oh, so nice. I don't know the rest of it. I got my, what was it? I got my swag down pat. Call my Patricia.
What?
Is that my down pat? Like P-A-T?
Down
Yes. And Patricia is P-A-T-R-I-C-A. No. Oh, God. You guys are so funny.
You have to do the Harlem Shake.
I wish I was standing to do that.
Recording right now.
How is it the Harlem Shake?
I used to do the Bill Cosby dance. What is it?
Cause she was doing
Bill Cosby
Deja
was
version of the
awesome.
Crip Walk. And I did the Deja version of the Harlem Shake.
My mom saw Carlton in real life.
Who
He was
cool?
breaking his down.
Yeah, I heard he can really dance.
Yeah, in real life.
Let's talk about something else.
Carlton.
Fresh Prince.
Let's talk about
Let's do the
oatmeal.
Fresh Prince about theme song.
Yeah, after school they
Now
give you
this is
oatmeal
the story,
breakfast club.
y'all. No, it's about Fresh Prince brother.
Oh, wait, but they give you oatmeal
Born and
breakfast club
raised in the playground.
That's my name.